Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Anaconda on Windows operating system. To install Anaconda, first we need to download the installer from the Anaconda official website in your machine. So open your browser and type Anaconda on the search bar. Here on the first link that says anaconda.com, click on it. Here that says free download, click on it. Under free download, click on the downloads link that has the Windows icon. Click save and this will download and save the installer in your machine. As you can see, the download task is done. Now go to your downloads folder or click this little icon and it will take you to the downloads folder. Now double click on this installer. You can minimize this window and you can minimize this as well. Now click next. Click this I agree button. Here leave the default as is, just for me recommended one. Click next. Here you can change the path of your files by clicking the browse tab, or you can leave the default as is. Now click next. Here leave everything as default as is and click install. Now the installation is complete. Click next. Click next again. Now click this uncheck and click finish. Now go to your Windows taskbar and search for the Anaconda. Now click on the Anaconda Navigator and this will launch your Anaconda Navigator. Now under all applications, select the installed applications to see what applications are installed under the base environment. Now you can launch Jupyter Notebook. Click launch button and if it asks you to choose your search engine, you can choose your search engine and click OK. Now from here, you can minimize this. Now from here, click this new button and choose the Python 3 kernel. Now from here, you can print any Python program. Now we saw how to easily install Anaconda on Windows operating system. Thank you for watching.